Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is 10 lines speech on Republic Day. Number 1 line. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Number 2. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Republic Day. Number 3. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26 January. Number 4. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. Number 5. It makes India a sovereign, democratic, and republic country. Number 6. We remember our freedom fighters and great leaders today. Number 7. The Constitution gives us rights and duties. Number 8. We should always respect our country and its laws. Number 9. Let us promise to be responsible and honest citizens. Number 10. Jai Hind. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.